Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve glitch on Monopoly Go. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go glitch, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about Monopoly Go app. When you'll find it here, you will enter it to this app. Then you will click on first stop. You will click OK, then you will enter to this window of storage. After that you click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone and you can know how to fix your Monopoly Go glitch on your phone, as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.